Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm and we're going to begin with a story about Berger Paints. Workers at Berger Paints can expect additional benefits this month end. The workers, who are represented by the Union of Clerical, Administrative and Supervisory Employees UCAS, have been fighting for improved benefits since 2018. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports. And we'll return to that story a bit later. Let's go on to dollar. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.46. The Canadian dollar, $101.48. The pound is going for $173.26, while the euro closed the day at $151.43. Proven Investments has announced plans to issue new shares to the public. Ordinary shares will be available via an additional public offer, and Proven is hoping to raise funds for its short to medium-term strategic plans. It's the first time the company is making an unrestricted share offering to the public. The investment company is awaiting regulatory approvals. Now to the stock market. The JSE index gained 346 points today, while the junior market index declined by 22 points. Stocks posting gains include Cigna's Credit Investment US dollar shares, Main Event Entertainment Group, KLE Group, Salada Foods, and Consolidated Bakeries. On the losing side, we had Cargo Handlers, 1834 Investments, Honeybun, Jetcon Corporation, and 138 Student Living. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.